Hey guys, what's going on? It's been quite a long time, but my dad just bought a new car. As you can see, it's a Macan, a 2-liter petrol with 250 horsepower. And my dad's actually gone now for 10 days. They're on a vacation, and I thought I'd give him a little treat and coat the new car with Gyeon MOHS. It's the first time I'm using this product, and it's about 100 bucks or like 92 euro when it's new. So I didn't really want to spend 100 euro on a coating. I was just going to put on my dad's car, and because he doesn't really care about coatings and all that stuff anyway. So what I did is I found this online second-hand, and it's actually 2 years old already, and they recommend 1 year for the maximum shelf life. So the lady who was selling it sold it to me for 10 euros, which is 1/10 of the price. It was nothing really, but I have the risk that it's actually rotten and won't work anymore. So we're going to test it out right now. I'm going to put it to the test, 2-year-old MOHS, and see how it works, and then see the results. I'll also make an update video, because I do understand that there's a difference between the product applying well and the product actually performing well after being applied in terms of bleeding and dirt resistance. So I will anyway make an update video in a couple of weeks when I wash this car for the first time, so you can see the beading and the results we're actually getting. Quite excited, hope this goes well, and I'll keep you guys updated.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Okay guys, so you could just see the prep. The car is brand new, so it had 0 swirls. I checked it with my scan grip lamp, and the paint's in really good condition, so I'm glad about that. I just had to wash it, I deconned it, I dried it with eraser to get all the oils and the residue off, and now we're going to apply the coating. So I cheated a little bit. I already did the car with 2 layers, so I'm just going to show if the cars go by, the last layer on the engine, not the engine bay, on the, hoe zeggen ze dat? Motorkap. On the bonnet. So this is a new day, and it's a new applicator, so the first layer I always put a little bit extra because it's dry. So a couple of drops, and then I just put it in a couple of sections. So I'm going to do this section first. So this is my section I'm going to work, and I'm just going to spread it first left to right. And as you can see, it's already going into the oil slick look. So it really flashes instantly, so you have to be really quick. Your application, that's everything. Then up and down. It's just to mainly ensure even coverage. That's it, it's thoroughly spread, and then you just take your cloth and you'll see it instantly buffs away, and that's it. You can feel it, it's a little bit grabby. if you're too early, when you put a towel on it and you make certain movements, you will see that you're still spreading the wet product. So when you see you're buffing it and it just disappears, that's when you're right on time. When you're buffing it and it doesn't remove and you have to put a lot of effort in it, you're a little bit too late, so you have to go a little bit earlier with your drying towel. And after the first pass, I usually, can you hold this?
Yes.
Man, if you I usually flip my towel to a dry side and go over it once more. You can feel it's a little bit grabby now. And you just go over it once more to ensure you don't get any eye spots. And you just repeat that section by section until you have the entire car covered. That's it.